Hello, hello, once again from Central Station, Malmo. And here we are just by the water. As you can see, it's water of Horizont Strait. It just goes up to somewhere there, I guess, and that's it. It's not a river or a canal as such, but looks beautiful just outside the Central Station. So the plan is to walk around the main street, or called not the main street, but more like let's say it's main square or something. It's called Lilla Torg, or in translation I think is a little square of Malmo. So yeah, let's walk around and have a see what's going on. The bus goes to Oslo, Norway, from Göteborg. Looks beautiful already. And there is another Christmas tree in the front. The Christmas tree of Malmo. Look at the Christmas tree, guys. How beautiful it is. Lights are on, jingles are on. I like these painted posters. It doesn't go very well with the... I don't see anything... Yeah, never seen anything so far in Sweden or anywhere else in Europe. Yeah, just opposite to Christmas tree is this amazing building of town hall, Malmo town hall. So we just walk towards the lights, the glittering lights. Look at them, how beautiful they are. It's some bank, Adolfs banking. Here we are going in opposite direction than we should be going. So at some point I need to take a turn to the right. But you know what? They have got another Christmas tree. Wow, wow, wow. Look at this building's architecture. It's quite incredible as well. Brown color bricks, coffee color bricks. Never seen them before as such, I guess. Wow, 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 wow.
Yeah, we do have...
Pretty cool as well,
This is now in Norway.
I must say. This way is also good. Do we need to go this way? Wow, look at this place, guys. They have created this little gift hamper thing. Wow, wow, wow. This place is a wonderful place. So this is the Lilla Torg, I guess. It doesn't say... Yeah, but I think this is Lilla Torg. But yeah, look at the buildings. First of all, look at this one. How amazing is this? Then look these three, which are like a bit modernish but still look good. Then look at this building behind the tents. It's pretty cool. And then look at this one. Wow, this one is very unique. And similar to this one is this one. How amazing is this one? I've been told that Triangeln is a nice place to see as well. So that's where we are walking towards at the moment. But you know what? There are trees which have been decorated. Look at this tree. full of hearts, and this one is full of boxes, which is the gift boxes. How cool is that? And this one has got some lights. Very, 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 very beautiful. Look at the hearts. They have put some lights in them, so I think as it gets a bit darker, they're gonna get brighter. Cool. I guess it is in this direction. We need to go. Go, go, go. Look at this bus. It's like a snake. Here we have got a lot more lights to walk under. But before that, we have got a canal. Looks like a canal. At least. Look how beautiful is this one as well. Yeah, so we need to cross here. It's red at the moment. Will be green very soon, by the time I'll reach. Here we go. Oh, pigeons are just in front of me. I guess when it goes a bit more dark, then it will be much, much more beautiful. The arrangement is there, it's just the time. Couple of more hours to go. Here I continue to walk, guys. There is another espresso house, and we have passed the lights, and I guess we are not very far from the Triangeln. Should we? But look at this tall building called Skandik. Oh, here it says Trianglen. Is it Trianglen? Is it a mall or what? Let's go inside and have a little video clips, not the whole vlog. Because I think that is what they will object probably. Yeah, the first shop is India. The name of the shop is India. How cool is that? It's a jewelry shop, looks like. I wonder if they have a eating place. That would be quite nice. I see a McDonald's, but something more than McDonald's, to be honest. Yeah, let's have. There are more places to eat, I guess, over there. Let's have a look. It looks like a. And then they have a carpet. I like this thing. And they put carpet. It was on a train station as well. And in the mall they have put carpet as well. So it feels like royal. This is the toilet over here. Okay then, I think let's eat something at Wins. It looks a bit different, something new, something Swedish. Alright, looks like this vegan wrap and with the cafe mocha. That will do. Yep, let's order that. I think should be good. Do I need cookies? No, I have a sneaker. And one vegan wrap.
Yeah?
And one cafe mocha.
Something else?
No, that's all.
It takes you two to go?
What? That's
There?
there. Yeah.
Ja, det är kolla.
Yeah. There you go.
Med vagn. Det sitter med vagn.
Coffee is ready. It's coming. Thank you.
Så helt
Let's sit there. How do I enter here? From there. I like this thing. Place. Just here we are sitting, and that's where we're gonna enjoy it. I like it. Well, that was our little tour of Triangeln. Had some rest, had a coffee, used the toilets, and now we are relaxed a bit more. So hope you enjoyed the walk, the little glimpse of the mall. See you next time.